I'm not used to these gloves. No, they're not that bad. It's been a while since I rode in the rain. Oh fuck, I just realized I don't even have like protection for my fucking GoPro in the rain. What am I doing? Fuck. My first time go-karting, dude, and I suck. I'm doing alright, maybe. Man, I want gloves for my next ride, dude. This shit's fucking up my hands. I can't like get a gauge on it, how grippy this shit is. Okay guys, this is a quick little Pokemon Go update. The hate-love relationship continues. Basically, server issues haven't been figured out. This new issue where like every single Pokemon is 3 steps away has arisen. Logging in, freezing, Pokeballs not catching shit. What else is a problem? GPS signal error, you name it. The duo's still fucking everywhere. So yeah. Currently level 16, have a few cool Pokemon, but fuck you, I'm not wasting my Pokeballs on you. Yeah, gyms are still a little gay. I shouldn't say that. But yeah, gyms are still a little shit. Other than that though, it's still fun, still playable depending on what night it is. Tonight's actually quite playable at the park now, like 100 people here. So yeah, it's going pretty good.